What up, YouTube? In this video, we're gonna go over the #1 hustle for beginners. Let's go. Now this is my Texas flag, one of my most popular curbs. I recommend if you haven't got your curb done before, definitely reach out to your nearby curber, get yours done. Okay, I do Texas flag, I do pretty much any flag. I do any basic color, which what I'm doing right now. Basic color being black, white, blue, yellow, orange, green, doesn't matter, I do it all. Any future curbers out there, I have an online master course. I show you everything you need to know from start to finish, how to get the sale, how to paint the curb, how to promote it on social media. I show you everything you need to know. Click the link in my bio. I get you right. If you are someone who wants to be a future or a potential customer, please reach out via link or email that I'll have below. So check that out. Any inquiries, interested in getting your curb done, get in touch with me. We'll get you set up. We'll get you right. As you guys see in a lot of my videos, I do a lot of grinding, okay? Not every curb is the same, so we got to handle every curb a special type of way, but I do have a method to my madness on everything that I do, and that's why I have an online master course. This is a skill that needs to be learned, and even though they be some ugly curbs out there, I do make them really nice looking. All right. Other than that, if you guys got any questions, please drop your questions below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. W in the chat if you got this far in the video. I'll be showing you guys way better curbs in the future. I got a lot of great things planned. Other than that, catch you in the next one. Peace!